we see a squirrel. Hi, buddy. Hey, friend. Don't worry, I mean you no harm. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is Crystal Palace Park. These trees and the birds and the squirrels. It reminds me so much of there's a squirrel on that tree. I think I missed it. It reminds me so much of cottage country back home and like the forest around my grandparents' cottage that my family and I used to go to every summer. And I'm not going home this summer, unfortunately. So this is kind of a nice little reminder of home. Hi, buddies. I love these little cow pigeons. Look how cute his coloring is. Hi. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, hi, it's my people, Canadian geese. Oh my God. Look at this little baby. Don't worry, Mama. I'm not gonna steal your little baby. How cute and fluffy. So fucking precious. Buddy. Oh. These birds are going nuts. There were like 4 birds here when I first arrived. And now all the fucking pigeons want some attention or something. This little baby. Where are the rest of them though? Aren't goslings usually born in like a litter? I mean, obviously not a litter. Like a gander, right? A gander of goslings? Eee, so fluffy. I really want to just like hug you. But this one would attack me, no doubt, if I did that. So suspicious. Look at its fluffy little butt. Oh my God. Can't handle the cuteness. Baby. Oh, there are little ducklings too. Oh. Look, that back one especially is all fluffy. That's when you can tell it's a baby. I mean, I don't know. Is that true? I'm not a bird expert. Waterfowl expert. Oh, you guys friends? Little baby duckling and little baby gosling. Oh, this is like Christmas. Oh shit. What just happened? Oh, starting small. This tiny little gosling just like intimidated the shit out of the pigeon. Baby. Look at them. Oh, they're so precious. Hey guys. What do you want? Okay, usually I love pigeons, but when there are fluffier things around. This little one just keeps, I keep missing it, but she keeps scaring the pigeons off. She keeps sort of like running for them and attacking them. Oh, shit. These geese are really protective. Oh, little duckling on its own. Go find your mama. There's mama. Go find her. There you go. You got there. Hey, friend. That butt. That little goose butt. Fluffy goose butt. Hey, mama. They're just following me. And the little baby, the ducklings, got in the water. Hey. And this goose over here is just fucking having a field day. Oh my god, there are tinier babies in the water. Oh, those ones are so small. Oh, precious. Hey. She's hissing now. Go for a swim, you guys. No, they're just happy walking along the shore. Shut up. Calm yourself, mama. Not doing anything. Your baby's the one trying to get close to me. Oh, precious. Stay behind there. That's your space. This is my space. Mama, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna go. I don't want to get attacked. Today is not the day to have a goose attack. I want to stay there forever. I want to just hang out with the little birds and the goslings forever. But I really have to pee, so I think I'm gonna have to go now. Everyone's in the water now. Look, there's a little gosling. What do you want? I have no food for you. Sorry. I'm just here to watch these little buddies. These cute, cute little buddies. Teenagers. Oh. Okay, so the upper part of this park reminds me of Ontario cottage country, but the lower part has got something completely different. This part of the park has got motherfucking dinosaurs. Yep, I said dinosaurs. Not real ones, obviously. Basically, this area, they have found like remains, dinosaur remains, dating back, you know, however many billions of years. So they made big old dinosaur statues to represent the kinds of dinosaurs that would have been living in this area many, many moons ago. Dinosaurs! Dinosaurs. I'm going to show you the thing about the dinosaurs so you understand. Dinosaurs! Here we go. 175 million to 66 million years ago, The sculptures on this island include the only representations of true dinosaurs seen at Crystal Palace, which is where we are right now. Scientists have classified a whole bunch of these as dinosaurs, while the other animals on the site belong to other scientific groups. Cool. Like, how fucking cool is this that these dinosaurs legit, like, lived here? Wow. Hey, buddies. Shit, look at this beast. Fuck. I mean, can you imagine coexisting in a world where these things were alive? Terrifying. Oh, hey, buddies.